Today we're drawing Unicorn Rainbow Dream Soda. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the eyes. Draw one nice round circle first. Now add a small highlight circle near the top and a soft curved shine near the bottom. Fill in the eye around those highlights, but leave the little shine shapes white. Add a few tiny lashes on the side. Keep them short and cute. Then draw the other eye the same way, matching the size as best as you can. Right between the eyes, draw a tiny little nose. Then add a small smiling mouth underneath. Add the open mouth shape and a tiny tongue line inside. Super cute already. Now let's add the little paws. Start with one small oval under the face. Add a curved line inside to make it look rounded. Then draw the other paw on the opposite side, using the same simple shape. Now draw one side of the face, curving gently from the paw upward. Then do the same on the other side, but keep this line a little shorter. Make the face soft and round. Time for the hair. Start with a small curved lock near the top of the head. Now draw a big swooping bang across the forehead. Let it flow to the side. Add the next rounded hair sections beside it, one piece at a time. This is where the unicorn starts getting fancy. Add that cute curled lock on the side. Keep the line smooth and bouncy, like soft cartoon hair. Let's add the first ear behind the hair. Draw a tall, rounded triangle shape. Add a smaller line inside for the inner ear. Now repeat that on the other side, and keep both ears nice and balanced. Now let's draw the unicorn horn. Start with the first rounded layer right on top of the head. Next, stack the second layer right above it, keeping the shape slightly smaller. Then add the next layer, and keep building the horn upward, one section at a time. Finish it with a tiny pointed tip at the top. Keep each layer soft and rounded. Let's finish the head shape now. Add the soft side outline behind the hair. Bring the line down gently toward the paw, so the head feels round and complete. Nice, the unicorn face is all set. Now let's draw the fluffy cream around our unicorn. Start with rounded bumps on one side. Continue the cream behind the paws, using soft cloud-like curves. Build the other side the same way, keeping the cream wide and cozy around the character. Draw the lower cream base with one long rounded shape underneath. Now add a wavy frosting line across the front. It does not need to be perfect. Add two little stars on the cream and one simple curved detail across the front. Great! Now it looks like our unicorn is popping out of a magical drink. Let's add the straw behind the unicorn on the side. Draw 2 long slanted lines. Close the top with a small angled edge. Then add diagonal stripes across the straw. Keep them evenly spaced if you can. Now draw the cup rim under the cream. Start with one long curved line, but leave a small gap on the side. Add another curved line inside the rim to make the cup edge look thicker. Let's add the cute little charm hanging from the cup rim. Start with a small hook, then draw tiny circles going down like a chain. Add a little heart charm below the chain. Now draw a small cloud shape underneath. Use soft bumps all the way around. Give the cloud a tiny face, because even the accessory needs to be cute here. Finish it with a little star hanging at the bottom. First, use the cup rim we already finished as the starting point for the cup body. Now pull one long line down from the rim, slanting it slightly inward. Next, draw the rounded bottom curve to start closing the base of the cup. Then draw the other side down from the keychain, connecting it smoothly to the bottom curve. Finish by adding one more curved line near the bottom, so the cup base looks thicker and clean. First, use the finished cup body as the base for the drink details. Start by adding lots of bubbles inside the cup. Draw them in different sizes and scatter them around the space. Keep the bubbles random and fun. Some can be small and some can be much bigger. Then add a few tiny sparkle shapes in the empty spaces between the bubbles Next, draw a few wavy lines across the cup to create the layered drink effect. And just like that, the inside of the cup looks sweet, magical, and full of bubbly rainbow drink details. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!